Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make one of my favorite cakes. We're making the carrot cake recipe. This carrot cake batter gets made through a blender or a food processor. There is no shredding of carrots, no mixing bowl required, and it's quick and easy, and the result is moist carrot cake with classic carrot flour. By the way, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. Let's get started. We need 2 medium carrots. Give carrots a coarse chop and put them right into a blender or a food processor. Blend the carrots until they are finely chopped. And next add 3 eggs, 1 cup of light granulated sugar, half cup of honey, half cup of sour cream. And just pop the lid back on and blend until smooth. Then add half cup of oil, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of ground ginger, teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 cup of walnuts. Blend again everything until evenly incorporated. Use a spatula just to scrape the sides and give the batter one more stir. And now it's ready to bake. I used 9-inch cake pan greased and lined with parchment paper. After that, bake in preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean from the center. Cake is ready. Let it cool completely. While the cake cools, let's make the frosting. Mix to combine 1 cup of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, half cup of powdered sugar, add some vanilla extract. Spread cream cheese frosting over the top of the cake. Decorate the cake any you like. I use colored sprinkles. Serve the cake as a dessert or a snack cake or even breakfast cake. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.